What's going on, guys? Super excited for today's video because we're going to be doing another one of those mods. It doesn't seem like it's going to be that big a deal, but then once you do it, it has a dramatic impact on the overall look of the truck. That being replacing our factory emblems today with some color matched ones from BFN Trucks. I am stoked, and this has been a long time coming. Let's go ahead and unbox them and check them out. Sorry in advance for the hawk that you'll probably hear screaming in the background, but I've had this for about 2 months now, and it's thanks to you guys because I put the door handles on the truck that's from this company, and a lot of y'all reached out to them and shared the video with them, and they ended up reaching out to me and saying they would like to send me something out as a thank you. Oh my gosh. Dude, that is gorgeous. Holy crap, I gotta be extra freaking careful with that. Velocity blue color match with the black. This is gonna look absolutely amazing. BFN Truck Shop. That is freaking sick. I am so stoked for this. This is about to look so freaking good. But you may have noticed the truck is filthy. We just got back from the truck meet at Montgomery yesterday. So I'm gonna give it a quick wash and I'll catch up with y'all with the install after. A little spit shine goes a long ways. Let's get this front end apart. All right, go ahead and pop your hood. Gotta get all these push pins out to get this top cover off. Depending on your trim level, you're gonna have a couple connections to the grill. Just gotta go in here and pop these free. Mine has 2. 3 free as well. Got 4 10 mils holding the top of the grill in. Got 2 7mm screws on each side of the truck holding on this little center section that covers up the bottom of the grill. Once you've got both sides free, you're just going to grab this, pull it straight out. It'll pop. It sounds terrible, but you shouldn't break it. I've done this a bunch of times. Boom. 5/16 on each side, holding the lower part of the grill on. All right, now if I remember correct, it's basically just tug of war with this thing. Not a bad idea to have one of these little pry tools because it's actually underneath this seal, and you can use this to push the seal down in order to get this out. But you just lift the front up, or the top up some. Now that you get the grill off, your shutters might be down. You can just pry them open. I'm going to try to remember to put them back down when I take it off, just so it hopefully doesn't screw anything up. But it's a 10 mil down in there. I don't have any extensions, so we just got to shove our hand in there. Just these little self-threading caps, 10 mil. All right, and then falls straight out. As you see, 1, 2, 3. Just a slight improvement. It's gonna be awesome. Carefully, we're just gonna line this baby up. Take our little self-threading screws or nuts, tighten it down. Yes, I did remember to put the little vents down. Didn't get any easier than that. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, dude, that looks freaking sick. So, speed run, throwing it back together. Now we gotta remove this panel on the tailgate so we can get access to that rear emblem. T20 up there because you're gonna have to close the tailgate. So there is our rear emblem. As you can see on each side, there and there, got those little clips holding it in. There's one more in the middle. Might be one right there in the middle, and obviously on the other side, same deal. I don't know if that's adhesion or if that's just like weather stripping. Just feels like a weather stripping. Well, apparently I was wrong, and there is 3M holding it on, so we're gonna heat it up and hopefully just pop it out now. Yeah, I can actually see it in there now. If you got something similar to this, I can actually cut it. So that's working perfect. Oh yeah. We're just gonna do a couple little strips right here where that stuff was. Now these two on the inside of this and this goes under this, and the one in the middle. Terrified to break the little arms off. And I guess you just push it on there, right? Just like that. Whew, that was scary, ain't gonna lie. That looks freaking sweet. So, let me get all my crap put up. We'll go out, see how she looks with the whole truck. Alright guys, we are rapidly running out of daylight, but holy crap, this turned out amazing. That looks so freaking good. I can't wait to show you all the rear because it looks even better than the front. And that's saying a lot because this front end is dramatically changed by just doing that little emblem. I knew it was going to, dude. The little details, they just go so far. Obviously, this being a blue truck and not Ford blue, we had some conflicting colors going on. So ditching that blue oval for a color matched blue oval, we're doing good. And it cleaned it up, dude. Every single bit that we changed to either color match or black, it just makes it so much better. And I am stoked. Turned out absolutely amazing. And everything is just tying in together, dude. It looks incredible. Dude, look at that. Absolutely killer. The rear is just by far my favorite. It looks so good now. I'm kind of torn. Should we get a little inlay for the F-150, black inlay? It might go together well with that emblem and look freaking awesome. Just like a matte black, or maybe we go gloss black. I'm thinking matte black. Maybe gloss though. Inlay in the F-150. But dude, that looks so freaking good. I'm in love, dude. I am absolutely in love. Huge shout out to BFN Truck Shop for sending me out these emblems, because without y'all and them, this wouldn't be possible. Y'all blew them up about my door handle video, and so they shared the love and sent me these out to showcase for y'all. And hopefully we'll have some more of their products on the channel because they are killer. I've had zero issues out of my door handles. Highly recommend, if you got the plastic black texture ones, go get you some color matched handles. These are flawless. They're perfectly color matched. I've not had any issues with them chipping or anything like that. They have been perfect. I'll have a video in the description on how to swap those out. It's super easy. It's definitely worth it, like I said. And you know, color matching is spot on. Products are worth the money. I mean, that is, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So y'all be sure to go over to the website. I'll have a link to theirs in the description. Check them out, buy you some stuff, you know, let them know that I sent y'all, and hopefully, like I said, we'll have some more stuff from them on the channel. I know we need some mirrors. Need that. That would like top it off. Just everything blue. That's what we need. Everything freaking blue. It's gonna be amazing. So I'm gonna quit rambling. It's about to be dark on me anyway. So hopefully y'all did enjoy. Comment down below. Let me know. I'll see y'all in the next one.